I'm looking at the exercises from Chapter 2, and I thought what I would do is just kind of go through me doing this problem so you can see what it looks like from my perspective. So create a new problem called date.java. Well, I already blew that because what I did was I created Chapter 2 exercises. So I'm going to go back in here and click on intro, go to class, and I'm going to call it date.java. We don't do .java, we just call it date. We're going to do public and we click finish. So here we are. We have a file called date.java. I double clicked on that so that I didn't have to look at the other windows, and I'll double click on it to get it back. So create a new program, type it and compile it, make sure that it works. So system.out.println hello. Save it, run it, works fine. Okay. Write a program that creates variables named day, date, month, and year. Okay. So day is going to contain Friday. So if I'm going to have day equal Friday, a couple things I need to remember is that I have to put quotes around a word, and those things are called strings. So string day equals Friday in quotes. If I just do Friday, it thinks that day equals some other variable called Friday. So the quotes say, be a string, be whatever's in the string. I'm not going to look at what's in there. It's just going to be that. Okay, and the date will contain the day of the month, like the 13th. So date, so 13 is an integer, so int date equals 13. What type is each variable? Assign variables. I did that. All right, so now we're going to need a month and a year. So string month equals, make it June. Oops, I need to put quotation marks around that. And then year, and that's going to be an int as well. So int year equals 2020. There we go. So now if I want to print that out in American format, so I'll do system.out.println, and on the top line I'm going to say American format. On the next line I'm going to be day plus a comma and a space plus month plus space plus the date plus comma and a space plus the year. And let's make sure that I have a semicolon at the end of that. I'll just pull it out. I'll just make it smaller so you can see it. And let's run it and see if it works. All right, looks just like it's supposed to. So don't forget the plus in between them. The quotation marks around the thing you need. And then if I want to change that up, I can just move things around a little bit. All right, so that is what it looks like when I go through an exercise. I would, of course, do this second part just because. All right.